Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a short quick video. I'm showing you my DIY avocado hair mask. The only thing you will need is coconut oil, castor oil, well, oil of your choice. My two choices are coconut oil and castor oil, avocado, and honey. Measurement is up to you. I don't really measure, okay? Plus, some people might need more than I do because I have very fine hair. So measure depending on how thick or how thin your hair is. And honestly, I wish that I ate this avocado instead of using it for this hair mask, but my hair thanked me later. So you just take all your ingredients, put them in a blender, blend it together. Avocado hair mask. I did store it in the fridge to use it the next day, but you can use it the same day. But after that, don't let it sit too long. So that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. And if there are any video requests or anything you'd like to see, let me know. Bye, gems.